Hi, this is Luca. I'm very happy to say that this week in Estonia was a very successful week. I've been giving out workshops on the psychology of money, saving and investing, and also money management, all of which were welcomed quite well from all participants. I wish to say that such workshops I will also be offering in Malta as well, to companies and all organizations. I think that this subject of financial well-being is a subject which will increase not just this year but also in the coming years, especially now that Europe has realized that many people lack financial literacy, and this lack of financial literacy is also affecting workers in their place of work. So if you're interested in financial well-being workshops, don't hesitate to contact me. Alternatively, I also offer individual coaching sessions, money coaching sessions, and if you're interested in that, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you for your time.